Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can install Jenkins in AWS. So installing Jenkins to AWS, we require an AWS EC2 instance. So let's get started. You have to log in into your AWS console and then search EC2 here and click on EC2. You will able to see EC2 dashboard. So currently there is no instance running in my AWS account. So click on launch instance. So you will able to see this page. You have to provide name for your instance. So I am providing Jenkins server. Okay. So now you need to select an operating system. So for this demo, we are going to use Ubuntu. So we are going to use Ubuntu server latest AMI. So here you need to select the instance type. There are multiple instance type. As this is a demo, so we are going to use the TT micro. Now you need to create a key pair. Click on create key pair. Enter name whatever you want. And then I am going to create a PM key and then click on create key pair. So my key is downloaded. After that, in the network setting, you need to select the network. So click on edit. So I am using default VPC here. After that, you need to select the subnet. From default VPC, you need to select the subnet. So I am going to select this. After that, auto assign public IP. When your instance get started, you want to assign an IP to the VM. Then you can select this as enable. So we required IP, so I am keep this as enable. After that, in the firewall section, you need to create a security group. So I will click on create a security group. Then we have to provide the name Jenkins SG, Jenkins security group. Then description, I'm going to copy paste the same. After that, you have to allow the port. So for installing Jenkins, we need to SSH into the instance. So I'm going to open SSH port. Configuration storage, we require some storage. So I'm going to increase this little bit. We are going to use 20 GB disk space. And everything is looking great. So click on launch instance. So we can able to see our instance is getting created. Click on instances. Yeah, our instance is there. So now our instance is in running state. That means we are ready to use our instance. So now click on the instance. Here you can see the checkbox. Click over there. You can see here connect button. Click on that. And here are multiple ways to connect our instance. So we are going to use the SSH client. Now copy this command. We downloaded our SSH key. So it's in download folder. So go into download. Open the terminal here. So write sudo and paste that command which we have already copied and click enter. So it will ask password. So enter your system password. And yeah, we are able to successfully log in into the instance. You can see the instance username and you can see the IP address of the instance. So we are going to install Jenkins over here. So for installing Jenkins, just search on Google how to install Jenkins on Ubuntu. You are able to see lot of articles. So we are going to use Jenkins official documentation. In Jenkins official documentation, You can see lot of ways to install the Jenkins, like in the Mac OS, Windows, Docker, Kubernetes. So for this demo, we are going to install Jenkins into the Linux. So click here. After that, you have again options like Fedora, Debian, Ubuntu. So click on Ubuntu. So these are the instructions to install the Jenkins on Ubuntu. So copy this and hit paste it here. Now copy the second command, paste it here. Now update the Jenkins, update server. Now install the Jenkins. Type Y and hit enter. So it's saying failed to start the Jenkins. So to install Jenkins, we require to install Java first. So let me check whether Java is installed or not. Okay, so in our system, Java is not installed. So what you can do, you can copy this command and install Java. Select Y and hit enter. Now check whether Java is successfully installed or not. Okay, so Java is successfully installed in our system. You can see here they also have installed Java. After that, we can check whether our status of our Jenkins system. Okay, so after installing Java, we need to install the Jenkins. So let's start the Jenkins server. Let's see. Now check the status of your Jenkins server. Yeah, so your Jenkins service is active. So let's see whether we are able to access Jenkins or not. So click on your instance. Now what you can do, you can copy the public IP address, paste it over here, and then colon 8080. So it seems like you are not able to access this URL. So let's come here and let's check the security group. In the security group, we allow only port 22, which is used for SSH. So click on edit inbound rule, and then we can add one more rule. We can add custom TCP 8080 port number and for anywhere, and save this rule. Now again copy the public IP address and then hit enter here. Yeah, now you are able to access the Jenkins. So when you start Jenkins first time, you need to add the password here. So this is the directory where you are able to find that password. So copy this, go to your instance and cat this file. always add sudo. Okay, you are able to see the password. Copy this password, put it over here, and click on continue. Okay, so you can always select install suggested plugins, and then Jenkins will start installing all the necessary plugins for you in the single click. Okay, now you need to add the username and password. I'm going to add freestyle coder as a username, and then password, then confirm password, and full name, and then email ID. And then click on save and continue. So you are able to see Jenkins URL. Let's check the IP. Yeah, so this is the same IP. So click on save and finish. Now click on start using Jenkins. Okay guys, so Jenkins is successfully installed in our AWS EC2 instance. Thank you so much guys to watch this video. If you like this tutorial, you can hit the like button and press the bell icon. Thank you.